What are you doing? Nothing's working. Okay, so here we go. We are going to dig into this thing. Not a professional repair guy, but you got to see what's doing. So we have our Betamax. It's had some issues. If you saw the last video, this is loose because I already unscrewed the hood so we could get at it without shooting it. You don't need to see, you know, this action too much. Okay, here's the, it'll take a tape. It'll take it. Sounds like everything's good, but you don't hear it actually threading the tape. And the tape ejects right out. So, let's take a closer look at what is happening. By the way, if you haven't seen the first video, this is a pickup of a Betamax Sony SL-10 that's, for some reason, just stopped working. It was working all night when I first got it. And then the second day, after installing it into my system, started doing this business. So, very upset. Took a couple days to think about it. And now we're going to dig in, see what's happening. So let's take a closer look. Takes the tape. There's no threading. Drum doesn't start. This doesn't come down, pull the tape around. Nothing works. So you just kind of, I don't know, poke around and figure out what the heck's going on. We have the belt there is still good. This operation seems, you know, things are working. Yeah, you can tell I don't know what I'm doing, but other than poking around and feeling stuff out, see stuff is still moving. What to do? Again, takes the tape. Ooh, this time didn't even take the tape all the way. Ooh, there you go. Now it's completely confused. I guess I didn't give it a firm enough what for. Let's see if it'll eject it. I hear it rocking away. It's like the spool is working, but it didn't take it all the way. Let me just power it off, power it back on by unplugging it. And it stopped working on its own. Let's give it a hard reset. Okay, yeah, it knew it was confused there. So, we have a couple possibilities what the problem is. It does take the tape, except for that last time. It mostly takes the tape and seats it down. So, the gears in this carriage system appear to be fine. This whole spinny business appears to work and starts the process. The problem is this thing doesn't come around, grab the tape, and whip it around the drum. Drum doesn't start. So somewhere the machine is not figuring out, hey, I have a tape. Let's get it moving. Let's get the process going. Now, like some VHS players, they have an infrared light or even just a light bulb that senses when a tape is in, and if that bulb is burnt out, it will stop the process and eject the tape. I don't know if this has the same deal, but it does have these, it does have little sensor switches down here that will tell the machine the tape is set or not. So if these switches are broke, that could be an issue. But, see something else. Hold on a sec. Oh, handheld mode here. So here are those switches right here I told you about. Maybe I should get a pointer button here. So these switches right there, probably shouldn't play with them too much, but yeah, if they're not working or contact is broken on that, if that doesn't see the tape down, it won't continue the setup process. But I'm also seeing something here that's loose, and that's what we're trying to find when you take the hood off and trying to discover what the problem is. What is flipping loose? Whoa. Okay, put this thing back on the dock so I can use my hands, but look down in here. Actually, with my eyesight, this works better. I don't know if you see what I see, but I see a spring that is no longer situated where it should be. This thing right here. This controls this guy, which is a sensor which I think this is the load sensor. When this is in the right position, it tells the deck that there's a tape loaded or not. Much like I was saying with the light bulb, on the VHS. Where were we? So this should probably be seated back there, and I think the way this is loose like this, the machine thinks there's already a tape in here. This might be the issue. So, surgical hands. I'm not the right person for this. To somehow get this sucker back on to this little hole. I'm not good with putting stuff back in holes. Get in there. Come on, you dirtbag. You son of a... Get in there. Oh, you rotten son of a bitch. Get in there. Come on, you want it. You want it. You want it. Come on, send it. Okay. Reset. Reset. We'll get this. Come on, you. We gotta put this in here. And, come on. Get down there. You can do it. Come on, you. Come on. You sucker. You're there. You were there. You were there. Oh my God. What the heck's going to happen if I break this spring? I suppose a pro would remove this whole carriage unit so he could get his hands in here. But no pro. Wow, how is this difficult? Come on, you're right there. You're right freaking there. Is it? Is it? Let's just, if I can keep the spring expanded. Are you? Are you there? Are you in? You're not in, are you? You're teasing me. You're teasing me. Get in there. Come on. You son of a... Woo! We'll get the right tool over this. Okay. Where are you? Okay. See, now other channels would have paused by now, but not me. You're gonna get the whole angry video. And if this spring snaps, I'm gonna kill someone. Come on, like, why? Just get in the hole. You son of a... Okay, multiple tries here. Let's expand the spring. Pull it back with this. Pull it back. Get this in here to hold it in place. Get it in and stuff it in there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You want it. Yes. Yes. Now this is in here. This is in here. This is in here. You're hooked, right? Not going anywhere. This ain't moving. Woo! It's in there. Okay. 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 Yikes. Okay, now we want to see tape load, see the mechanism work. Where my, oh, my tape's here. Okay, tape in. You know what? Little safety notice. You should have unplugged this before digging in here with metal objects. Just disclaimer. If you're smart, unplug it. Turning on. Everything sets up. Here we go. First load. Nothing. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Gonna give it another hard boot with power. Unplug. Plug back in. Whoa! We see movement. We saw movement. That is pleasing. Okay. All right. That's good. That is good. I hope. Let's try this again. Power on. Clicked over. Tape load. Yes. 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 and hit play. Drum moves. Tape is moving. Woo! Yeah! Screw you, Sony! My God. My God. Wow. Imagine if I'd have sent this away. $200 in shipping, $300 in diagnostics, and 15 seconds labor for the technician. Stop that. See if eject works. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Woo! Victory. Victory is mine. I'm getting a drink.